Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to factory reset this TP-Link router and how to configure it. First, you need to plug in your power cable. Look in this light. Okay, now we plug in our power cable. In this step, I want to reset. Look here, in the back of router, we have one hole. You need one pin. Put your pen in this hole. Then you should push your pen in this hole and keep for 7 or 8 seconds. Then look in this light. Look in this light. The light will change. Now we successfully reset the router. First, you need to connect your TP-Link router with your computer. You can connect with RJ45 cable and also you can connect with wireless. When you connect your router with your system, then open one browser, type your TP-Link IP address here. My TP-Link IP address is 192.168.0.1. I think this IP address is the same for all TP-Link router. Then hit enter. Enter TP-Link username and also TP-Link password. Then click on login. Here is wireless. Click on wireless. Look, here is wireless network name. It is TP-Link WR940N. Here is the name of TP-Link router and also the model of TP-Link router. Clean this name. Write your name, any name you want. I want to write like. Scroll down, click on save. After that, come here. Here is wireless security. Click on wireless security. Here is wireless password. Look, our password is one number. A good password is combine of letter, number, and also sign. I want to write subscribe the Tech Hub. Then click on save. Scroll down, click on save. Guys, now we successfully configure our wireless router. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. If you want to block any device from TP-Link router, then watch this video. Have a good day. See you soon.